Hello and welcome to InstallerGuru. Today we'll install an amazing file uploader server called Zipline. First, open the website zipline.dist.sh. Here you'll find this next-generation file upload platform with a beautiful dashboard and built-in metrics to track your uploads and more. In the documentation section, I'll choose to install it using the Docker environment. The docs include all configuration settings you'll need to get Zipline running in your setup. I've already connected my Docker server to VS Code through an SSH tunnel. Now I'm creating the folder structure inside my home directory. I've made a main folder named Zipline, and inside it, 3 subfolders: Public, Themes, and Uploads, to store Zipline's underlying files and data. Next, we'll create 2 files, a docker-compose file and an environment.env file. In the compose file, we'll define the Zipline application and its PostgreSQL database container, assign the port number, and map our local volumes. In the .env file, we'll place our passwords and secret keys. To generate secure, random passwords, use the command. We'll generate unique passwords for each variable one by one. After saving both files, run docker-compose up-d to pull the images and launch the containers. You can now see in Portainer the 2 containers are running, one for the database and one for the Zipline app. Open your browser and visit your server IP with the assigned port number. You'll reach the first-time setup wizard where you can create your admin account. Once logged in, you'll see the Zipline dashboard with detailed stats about files and storage. On the left menu, you'll find sections for metrics, files, and folders. You can upload various files or even create and save text snippets. In the administrator settings, you can customize the site name, logo, and other preferences. In the user settings, you can create uploaders, for example, scripts for ShareX or other apps. You can upload files, preview them, and organize them into folders. All uploaded files appear inside your local Zipline/uploads directory. You can also create multiple user accounts, assign permissions, and share files securely using the built-in URL-shortener, complete with password protection and view count limits. There are many more options and features in Zipline that you can explore, far more than we can cover in one video. Try installing it locally and experiment with its powerful features yourself. That's all for now. For more tech videos and tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to InstallerGuru.